Hello and welcome to a very special agenda, and on this day we bring to you a conversation with Lok Sabha's 4 most interesting MPs. Let me just introduce them to you on a day that the Lok Sabha has also had a discussion about women's empowerment. Let me just introduce Congress's Ranjit Ranjan, the senior most among the lot, second time MP. We have Moon Sen of the Trinamool Congress, first time MP. We have Poonam Mahajan of the BJP and Anupriya Patel of the Apna Dal. We'll be speaking to all of them. Remember, 3 of them first time MPs as well. Now, what I wanted to ask you was, I have to start with you, Ranjit Ranjan, because on a day like today, on Women's Empowerment Day, you had to make a statement by coming in your Harley Davidson. Do women need to do such things to actually make their presence felt?
देखो, मैं जो फील करती हूँ वही करना चाहती हूँ, और जब से पॉलिटिक्स में आई तो जो फील कर रही थी वो एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रही थी। बहुत दिन से मेरे दिल में हलचल थी कि मैं चलाती हूँ, बचपन से चलाती हूँ, और अभी मैंने हार्ले ली, मैं संडे राइड पे जा रही हूँ, टेनिस खेलने जा रही हूँ। व्हाई नॉट इन पार्लियामेंट? जाऊँ, मेघवाल जी साइकिल लेके आते हैं तो मैंने कहा क्या होगा, एक दिन सनसनी होगी, उसके बाद एटलीस्ट मेरा रास्ता तो खुलेगा। तो मैंने कहा बेस्ट डे कि वुमेन डे है, आप मीडिया वाले ही सनसनी फैलाते हो, आज पास कर दोगे मुझे कि वुमेन डे था, तो उसके बाद मेरा रास्ता खुलेगा। और एक दूसरा मैसेज ये देना चाहती थी कि देखो, आप फील करोगे कि हमारी जब शादी होती है ना, तो हम बहुत चीजें नहीं चाहते हुए भी ये फील आ जाती है, हम अपनी खुशी भूल जाते हैं। शॉपिंग करने गए, बच्चों की करके आ गए, वहाँ गए तो उनकी करके आ गए। हमारे जो खुशी थी अंदर से, मुझे वॉक करने में खुशी मिलती है, स्पोर्ट्स एडवेंचर्स में खुशी मिलती है, बाइक चलाने में खुशी मिलती है, बारिश होती है तो लगता है मैं मजे से बूंदाबूंदी हो रही है, मैं अकेले आराम, कोई नहीं, हस्बैंड भी नहीं, नो चिल्ड्रन, आराम से जाऊँ। तो ये मैं कर नहीं रही थी। तो मैंने अपने बच्चे को बोला, प्लान कर रहे थे बाइक लूँ, तो कहता मम्मा लो। मैंने कहा यार महंगी भी है, क्या करूँगी? तो उसने बोला मम्मा कितने साल के हो गए? तो मैंने कहा 40 प्लस 40 प्लस हो गया। अभी भी आप अपने लिए नहीं सोच रहे हो?
लेकिन मैं एक चीज आपसे पूछना चाहती थी, which is applies to a lot of you, is that when you talk about yourself, kind of what feels right for you, एक चीज अगर हम आपके, और आप लोगों को ये बहुत फेस करना पड़ता होगा कि आप में से बहुत सारे जिनके फैमिली में और भी लोग हैं, you have lots of other people, your father, everyone talks about your father, Anupriya, they talk about your father as well, and you're known as, a lot of people refer to you as, Pappu Yadav's wife, even though you speak a lot in parliament. So that question I want to ask you, Poonam Mahajan, how does one dissociate themselves from somebody else, being someone's husband, somebody's wife or somebody's daughter?
Actually, I feel proud to be my father's daughter. The expectations, actually, it scares me also that expectations are so high from you, and people expect you to be like him. But I think every successful woman has some man supporting her, though it's father, husband, brother, is important. I mean, we didn't speak for women empowerment today. That's very important. The Prime Minister also said women itself, the word has empowerment in it. It's Sashakt Bharat ki Sashakt Mahila. So Mahila shabd mein hi Sashaktata hai. So the Prime Minister also said that, and I believe that we should believe in equality. The concept of women empowerment is not women empowerment. It is about women pragatikaran, महिलाओं की pragatikaran, women's actually development, how we develop ourselves. So I believe in equality, and this discussion was completely on equality, how we see ourselves equal. And I'm really proud. When I started my speech also, I said I'm grateful to my parents, my father and my mother, who did not have any difference in raising my brother and me. And I really wanted to say that equality is more important than women empowerment. We are already empowered. Yeah. It's all about mentally how you take it.
Anupriya, are you also okay with that? Does it irritate you when all copies have, who your father is?
See, honestly, if I speak, I have a feeling that there is a sort of sexism. As far as politics as a profession is concerned, there is beyond doubt a gender discrimination. I'll give you an example. There is a difference in perception. The same behavior in a man and a woman is perceived differently. If a man says something with force, they say, oh, he's assertive. If a woman says something with force, they will say, oh, she's aggressive.
Is that like Smriti Irani's issue, for instance? No, I mean, I'm just trying to think of an example.
I don't want to take or quote anybody's name, but I'm just trying to tell you that the same behavior for a man and a woman in politics is always interpreted differently. Yes. If a man says that, I need this, or I want this, I deserve this, people will say, see, he knows his worth. If a woman says, I deserve it, they will be like, oh, she has no limits, shameless, oh, she is exceeding all boundaries. That's how people tend to, make that differentiation in perceiving men and women. I'll tell you, media also has a role to play in this.
I'm sure.
Yes, how I'll tell you, because whenever it is about a woman coming into the field of politics, for example, campaigns, they will discuss her wardrobe more than the content of her speech. Now, I'll just remind you of a small example. When Hina Rabani Khar came to India, a Pakistani minister, people were discussing, media was talking more about her dress,
her handbag.
her glasses, her handbag, instead of discussing more about what she said as a minister.
Yes.
So, you are just, just limiting women to their wardrobes, beauty, looks, hair, this, that, blah, blah. And you're talking less about the content, the contributions they're making. And I really, appreciate my speaker here, because she has for the first time brought about a revolution in the parliament by not talking about women empowerment, but she's saying how women can contribute to nation's empowerment. So there is a difference in perception and thought which is really, really required by the Indian society and the political society in quotes.
So, Munmun said, we heard what Anupriya said about the sexism in politics. Is it worse than the sexism which you may have seen in the film world?
I haven't seen it in politics.
You haven't seen any sexism?
I have seen it in commercial world. I have seen it in films, and I think it exists everywhere. It depends on how you deal with it. It also doesn't hurt to be as well dressed as this Pakistani lady, because I remember her pearls and the way she covered her hair and her handbag, and it does carry a little difference, a little awareness. It bespoke of an education, of a global relationships with others. It does make a difference sometimes, not always. Indira Gandhi was so beautifully dressed. She brought in the cotton muslin. She brought in cotton jacket, so sometimes it makes a difference. About it being sexist,
Vanity is equally important. I mean, you have to look nice. You have to speak well. As Anupriya said, content is very important, and that's important. That content and vanity should not be discriminated also.
Yeah.
I mean, if you look nice, you look nice. You're looking presentable. My mother's always told me, look good for yourself.
Yeah.
And look nice and decent. I mean, there's nothing wrong to it. And I did like even Hina Rabani's pearls and clothes, and I really appreciated that. And she's a brilliant lady also, because she had a wonderful content. But I understand what Anupriya is saying. We do discriminate in these manners. We do.
there was Maharani Gayatri Devi. She is one of my heroines. No one has dressed better than her, or more casually. And no one has been more full of content than her. So,
Okay, so I know
there's
that
no
we have
harm
an
in it.
all-women audience over here, and they have lots of questions to ask. Who wants to go first? Yeah.
My question is that how can we respond to those MPs who give speeches in a parliament or any other area where they say that their speeches influence की women की insult हो रही है.
So, while
reflects
Ranjit
well.
Ranjan, you have the most amount of confrontation. How do you deal with sexist remarks in parliament?
देखो मैं अनुप्रिया जी की बात से भी सहमत हूँ, पूरी नहीं सहमत हूँ. It's a good compliment. अगर वुमेन अच्छा पहनी है, अच्छा लग रही है,
sometimes not.
बता रही हूँ, उसका अंतर बता रही हूँ. तो अगर वो किस कंटेंट में बोला गया और आपकी कैपेबिलिटी को भी उतना ही नापा जा रहा है, तो दैट्स गुड. लेकिन सिर्फ आप उसी को कह रहे हो और आपकी कैपेबिलिटी को नहीं देखा जा रहा है, तो दैट इज रॉन्ग. वो सिर्फ पॉलिटिक्स में नहीं है, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी है, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस पे सबसे ज्यादा है. तो ये उस पर डिपेंड करता है, और मैं कहूँगी कि ये भी डिपेंड एक महिला पे ज्यादा करता है कि आप स्ट्रांग हो. यू हैव टू प्रूव कि मैं आई एम आल्सो कैपेबल फॉर दैट. मैं सुंदर भी हूँ, गुड लुकिंग हूँ, लेकिन मेरा काम भी देखो.